Hello guys, you use my phone Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite version 6GB Intel memory, 6GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory. Start unpacking, look complementation, device in the blue color. In complementation we have key for SIM slot. Okay. Adapter for charging, USB Type-C cable and headphones. Good complementation. Okay. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic and metal. On the back side, triple camera and LED. On the front side, 6.7 inch front camera. On the left side slot, this convenient slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side, power key and long keys. Downside, USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Device without headphones jack. Full HD display, AMOLED matrix, about phone, One UI 2.0, Android 10, Knox 3.4.1. Talk about system information. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, this octa-core processor, 4 plus 3 plus 1 cores, CPU speed 1.7, 2.4 and 2.8 GHz, GPU Adreno 630. Resolution CPU test and GPU test results. Look onto the benchmark. Onto the benchmark score. Close this and run Guitar San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Mark graphic level. Okay, game works perfect. Close this. Start camera. Main camera 48 plus 12 plus 5 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.